We always said that if we got married, this is exactly how we wanted to do it. And look at where we are.
Although I loved you at first sight, my love for you has grown and evolved. Over our 13 years together. You're everything I've ever wanted in my life partner. You're intelligent, resilient, supportive, strong, and vulnerable.
Thea, this is why I love you. You're hot and sexy, smart and fierce, kind and loyal. You put up with my shit and adventurous ideas. You hold me accountable and give me the courage to move forward. You work incredibly hard and you're always looking for ways to better yourself and us. You're my daily comfort, my warm blanket with cold feet. I didn't know what I would do without you by my side in my bed and as my partner in crime, second pants.
What we're celebrating today is something beautiful. It's two lives, your two lives, coming together as one. It's about beauty, it's about joy, it's about laughter. It's about all of the things that the two of you have experienced together that makes the two of you who you are and this relationship that you have.
Today, I promise to nurture our epic love affair and to continue to design the life we worked so hard for. I promise to show up for you every day, hold your hand across every suspension bridge we encounter. I promise to let you be you and support your growth along the way. I promise to cheer you on through the final round of any CrossFit workout. I promise to listen, learn, challenge, and support you. Most of all, I promise to sleep in on Saturday mornings so you've got time to watch all the movies I don't want to see.
Thea, I promise to continue to do my part in being the powerhouse couple that we've become. To continue building the life of our dreams, to work hard daily and fully enjoy our lives together, to support your dreams and desires. Your dreams are my dreams, and let's live this life fully together and forever.
Now, since you, Brian, and you, Thea, have consented together in marriage and made your covenant to each other in the presence of these witnesses, by the authority of the province of British Columbia, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
I know we've always joked that owning a corporation together is likely more binding than a marriage ever could be, but today I'm happy to call you the love of my life, my best friend, and now I